I'm a garden and planting designer. So for me, I've been putting all my effort and energy into my planting beds, and the lawn really needed some TLC. And so I thought I'd call in the experts, GreenThumb Lawn Care. When I spoke to them on the phone, I thought actually they're going to be perfect because they know exactly what they're doing. They've got all the equipment, all the know-how. And so I just thought I'd bring them in to treat it basically and kind of bring it back up again. So I reached out to them initially on Instagram. They were really quick to respond. And they put me in touch with the local franchise. And they, again, really responded really quickly, came out for a consultation, told me what they thought that their lawn needed as far as treatment-wise, and then we just went from there. So today we've done a lawn refresh. The client wanted a greener, thicker lawn. We've aerated the soil. We've scarified the area. Then we've applied what we call our Oasis treatment, which is a water conserver to recondition the subsoil. And then we've applied a granular fertiliser to really sort of reinvigorate the grass that's there and encourage the new seed germination as well. Then we've overseeded the lawn with our own bespoke diamond green grass seed. And then we've used our 100% organic top dressing over the lawn as well. Then we just wait for the grass to grow. It was quite impressive today actually how quickly they did it all. And you could see very quickly how the lawn is going to have quite a quick improvement. They said it was going to take about 2 weeks really to kind of sort of bed in and take, which is quite normal. But yeah, really impressive service, really nice guys, cleaned up after themselves, did it really quickly. So yeah, looking forward to seeing what the results are. Well, the lawn was looking quite shocking, why I called in GreenThumb. I just haven't got the time to maintain it. And for the work that they did, very quickly you could see how much it greened up, how healthy the lawn looked. And I haven't really had to do much to it. I think because of the process that they go through where they take out so much of the dead growth, and we didn't actually need to kind of overly water it to get it sort of rejuvenated again. But yeah, I'd say within 2 weeks, it was looking pretty good. So we've had quite a few barbecues. We've had amazing weather this summer, haven't we? And it was quite nice because the lawn had that revamp, that it was a really nice place to entertain, whereas previously, because it looked so rubbish, nobody kind of wanted to be on it. But it meant that lots of people, the kids were on it and they were playing with the dog on it. With the weather that we've had, because it's been so hot, I was quite sceptical of how it was going to perform. But I think because it had such a good treatment, actually it's really survived through some of those hot spells that we've had. GreenThumb have been amazing, really quick to respond, really good customer service. The guys that came on site were fantastic, really easy to work with, and actually, sort of talked me through the process and really involved me in what they were doing and tidied up after themselves. It was really good experience.